Santos, and I'm going to discuss about the concept of microchip in voltage regulation. But before anything else, I would like to give some brief information about how microchip was invented. It seems that the integrated circuit was destined to be invented. Two separate inventors, unaware of each other's activities, invented almost identical integrated circuits, or IC, at nearly the same time. Jack Kilby, an engineer with a background in ceramic-based, silk-screen circuit boards and transistor-based hearing aids, started working for Texas Instruments in 1958. A year earlier, research engineer Robert Noyce had co-founded the Fairchild Semiconductor Corporation. From 1958 to 1959, both electrical engineers were working on an answer to the same dilemma. In designing a complex electronic machine like a computer, it was always necessary to increase the number of components involved in order to make technical advances. The monolith, or formed from a single crystal integrated circuit, placed the previous separated transistors, capacitors, and all the connecting wiring onto a single crystal or chip made of semiconductor material. Kilby used germanium while Noyce used silicon for the semiconductor material. And concept of microchip in voltage regulation. Anything that uses electricity these days probably has a microchip in it. A microchip can perform operations of an electrical circuit, which involves moving electricity through logic gates to do anything from using your TV remote or charging the changing the channel to making a call on your cell phone. Microchips, or integrated circuits, or ICs, are low-powered devices with power dissipation rating less than 1 watt. Microchip in voltage regulation is very essential. It plays an important role in regulating voltage in a certain circuit. Because of the characteristics of microchip, it is widely used in most of the devices. The microchip was less an invention than a natural progression of technology. In 1950s, smaller electrical components were needed to fit in aircraft and spacecraft, but also for commercial consumer goods. A transistor replaced vacuum tubes, doing the same job in a fraction of space. Designers began wishing for increasingly smaller components. Microchips are used in more than just high-tech computing devices. Basically, anything that uses electricity these days probably has a microchip in it. A microchip can perform operations of an electrical circuit which involves moving electricity through logic gates to do anything like using TV remotely, to changing the channel, or to make a call on your cell phone. Most microchip or integrated circuits, IC, are low-power devices with power dissipation rating less than 1 watt. However, there are some chips available are capable of handling larger amounts of power, such as 5 watts, or in a larger regulation.